In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Systeme.io and Namecheap step by step, so you can point your custom domain to your Systeme.io account the right way. This is a really useful setup if you want your pages, funnels, or website to look more professional with your own domain instead of a generic link. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Systeme.io account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your profile picture in the top area and click it. From the menu that appears, go to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see an option called Custom Domains. Click on that, because this is where you'll connect your domain to Systeme.io. Now click Add Domain. When Systeme.io asks you to enter your domain, make sure you use the www version of your domain, not the version without www. So for example, if your domain is yourdomain.com, you'll want to enter www.yourdomain.com. This is an important step because it helps the domain connect correctly. After entering the domain, click Save. Systeme.io will then generate the DNS records you need. At this point, copy the two CNAME records that Systeme.io provides. You'll need both the host and target details, so take your time and make sure you copy them exactly as shown. Next, open a new tab and log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, go to Domain List, find the domain you want to connect, then click Manage next to that domain. This opens the domain settings where you can edit your DNS records. From there, open Advanced DNS. Scroll down until you find the Host Records section. This is where you'll add the records that point your domain to Systeme.io. Click Add New Record, then choose CNAME Record from the record type options. Now enter the first CNAME record details provided by Systeme.io. In the Host field, paste the first CNAME host exactly as shown. In the Target field, paste the corresponding target value from Systeme.io. Double-check everything for accuracy, because even a small typo can stop the domain from working properly. Then add the second CNAME record the same way. Click Add New Record again, select CNAME record, and enter the second host and target values provided by Systeme.io. Once both records are entered, click Save All Changes in Namecheap to make sure the DNS settings are stored correctly. Now go back to Systeme.io. After that, you'll need to wait for the domain verification to complete. In some cases it may connect right away, but in many cases you'll need to allow some time for DNS propagation. That means the internet needs a little time to update the new settings across servers. If your domain doesn't verify immediately, don't worry. That's completely normal. Just give it some time and check back later. Once the DNS changes finish propagating, Systeme.io should verify the domain and confirm that the connection was successful. And that's it. You've now connected Systeme.io and Namecheap using your custom domain. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.